A very good morning, students. As you know, we are doing an exercise where we have to write two sentences on the given statement. Already we have written about air pollution and land pollution. Now children, we are going to do other two pollution where a statement or a sentence is given to you and you have to write two sentences on that statement, and it is all related to pollution. Now coming next is the noise pollution. As you know, noise pollution, when there is excessive level of noise, it causes pollution. Noise is actually unpleasant sound that causes discomfort to our ears, and it can cause loss of hearing also, because we can hear from 20 to 90 decibel sound, and excessive of that causes stress. It can lead to loss of hearing. Now, especially the noise which creates unpleasant sound are the horns of vehicles, then when there is firecrackers, bursting of firecrackers, loudspeakers, then we have sound from the factories or industries or construction sites, or some household machines also, like even machine like your vacuum cleaner, or maybe the washing machine, or your mixer grinder is functioning. It creates a lot of sound. So these type of things create noise pollution. Now let us see the sentence given in that noise pollution. Noise is harmful to us. Now this is the sentence given to you, a statement given to you, and you have to write two sentences. Any sound in our environment which is loud, unpleasant and excessive is noise. Now what is noise? Noise is when in the environment, in our surrounding, when there is some unpleasant and excessive sound, like even your television. Sometimes some people, they put on the television and they increase the volume, and it is loud sound, and the people around them are being disturbed and they find it unpleasant. So any sound in our environment which is loud, which is unpleasant, not at all comfortable, and excessive, very high, is noise. Noise is harmful to us as it causes stress, irritation, and can also lead to loss of hearing. So it causes stress. Like I told you, when the DJ is playing, it causes stress to you. You feel irritated, and it can also lead to a loss of hearing. So this is the answer of noise is harmful to us, two sentences. Coming next, children, is our water pollution. As you know, when harmful materials they mix in the water, or they are discharged in the water bodies, they cause water pollution. It can be natural as well as human made. As I told you, natural factors are less intensified, or it's not so much as the human made activities, or human activities causes more of water pollution. Now, like what are the factors that causes water pollution? Is dumping all your waste from your houses, or from factories, or from industries to the water bodies, can cause water pollution. Then even washing clothes and washing utensils in the rivers, or anything like ponds or lakes. Then children, also chemical waste discharge in the water bodies. It can be leakage of oil tankers. These all can lead to water pollution. Now let us look at the sentence which is given on water pollution. Water pollution is harmful for humans. We all know that pollution is harmful for not only humans, for animals, and even for the growth of the plants. So it is harmful for humans. Now write two sentences on it. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies. Contamination means polluting the water. Water is not at all, like sometimes you must have seen some Then they show that how the water is all filthy and it's dirty and you should not drink those type of polluted water. So water pollution is the contamination of water bodies. It causes diseases like jaundice, gastroenteritis and typhoid. Now jaundice, I told you, is caused if you drink polluted water. Gastroenteritis, when it affects your stomach, liver, even jaundice also affects your liver, and typhoid when you have fever, and dysentery. All these causes are caused by the drinking of contaminated water. So water pollution is harmful for humans. Water pollution is the contamination of water body. Please check the contamination spelling. Contamination is CONTAMINATION. Contamination of water bodies. It causes diseases like jaundice. Be careful of the spelling. Jaundice, Jaundice. Gastroenteritis, again the spelling GASTROENTERITIS. Gastroenteritis, and typhoid, TYPHOID, typhoid. So these are the diseases caused due to polluted water. Okay, so this is all about the 4 types of pollution.